welcome back again to my channel. Yes, I know that you already knew or know about Nilagang Baka, mga palangga. But for the viewers who doesn't familiar with this kind of viand, so let me give a small intro about what is Nilagang Baka in the Philippines. Well, beef nilaga is a beef soup, one of a classic soup in the Philippines, which is similar to a beef bulalo. Ayan. Beef bulalo is made with beef bone marrow and beef shank, while beef nilaga is made with meat itself or boiled beef with vegetables. Ayan. Beef nilaga is not only a rainy season or winter dish, but it can be cooked anytime as well. Of course. And also, Nilagang Baka or beef nilaga is an everyday dish that can be found in almost carinderias or small eateries. So, sa mga nais kumain ng masarap na beef bulalo or beef nilaga, punta lang kayo sa Tagaytay. Tignan ko lang hindi kayo magsawa, mga palangga. So, mga palangga, masyado na yata napahaba ang aking intro, kaya tara na't ipagluluto ko na kayo. Okay? Mga palangga, here are my ingredients for my beef nilaga. Ayan. So, let's start with salt and pepper. Ayan. Dapat ang gamitin ko is whole pepper or peppercorn since I have no available, ground pepper na lang. Ayan. And also, since I am fan of ginger, kaya lalagyan ko siya ng ginger. Also with crunch garlic. Kinumbine ko na sila. Onions and spring onions, carrots, mga palangga, green beans, a slice of cabbage and pechay, here they are, and also a slice of potatoes here, and of course, sweet corn, ayan, cooked sweet corn, and lastly, mga palangga, my beef ribs, ayan. And of course, meron din akong beef bones. Ayan. Bakit may beef bones? Kasi diyan humuhugot ng sarap ang ating sabaw. Ayan. Kaya, hugot pa more, mga palangga. So, it's time to cook, mga palangga. Okay? So, mga palangga, the first thing that I gonna do is to put my beef bones and beef ribs. So, here is my bones and beef ribs. And pour some water to cover the meat, or it depends on you how many liters of water you wanna put. Basta Filipino, makasabaw talaga yan. Ayan, basta Filipino. Ayan, here's the water. Yung nilagay ko ng water, mga palangga, is mga 2.5 liters of water. And after this, let's bring it to boil. So mga palangga, after a boil, let's remove the scum floating on top. This dirt. Ayan. Tanggalin natin. has come, then let's put the ginger, garlic, onion, salt and pepper, and onion leeks. Here, ginger and garlic, onions, and spring onions, salt, and pepper. And simmer it at least an hour or until the meat is become tender. And you can use pressure cooker for better result of tenderness. As you can see, I am using pressure cooker, but unfortunately, it's not functioning anymore mga palangga. It's broken. So, magpapakulo na lang tayo. So, let's check mga palangga, kamusta na ang ating meat. So when the meat is tender, it's time to put our vegetables. So let's start with carrots. The carrots and potatoes. So here is our potatoes. And also with corn. Ayan, ang ating corn. Dapat inuna ko yung corn nilagay. Mali ako, mali. Ayan, corn. And let's simmer it again for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes mga palangga, let's put the cabbage and green beans. Here's my cabbage. And green beans. And then simmer it again for a few minutes and make it sure not to overcook the veggies. And lastly, after a few minutes mga palangga, let's put the pechay. Simmer for 1 minute and it's done. Tapos na tayo mga palangga. It's serve time. There you have it mga palangga, may beef nilaga. Kaunta!